So what I'm making today, it's called a blueprint art. You should have a surface where you're going to put paint. For me, I'm using hardboard, and you might use different materials such as canvas. So what I'm doing, I'm applying paint along the edges. I want this paint to act as a boundary so that the paint that I'll be smearing should not pass and fall out of the frame. So I will leave it to be hard for some time, to be sticky, so that the paint doesn't fall past the boundary. So I'll use different colors. I'll use black, blue, red, yellow, white, maroon. So it's called a blueprint art, as I've said. So I'm using undiluted paint. It's paint straight from the manufacturer. I haven't added any solvent. So I'm using several colors. So I want to make a pattern. So what I'm using is called a blow electric sprayer. So I'm using its power to produce waves. So when I put the machine near, it blows and it forms waves, and the waves forms something like contours. So it's a nice art. Anyone can try it. You don't have to be talented. What you need you need a source that can blow. For instance, you can use a blow drying machine. You can use any even a blower can work, and you need to have paint. For me, I'm using oil paint, normal paint. So it will depend also with your creativity. So for me, this is how I managed to do it. For me, it's appealing. So the challenge comes when you want to dry it. So you should place it where we have cool temperatures so that there is no formation of bubbles. And also after making it, you should place it at a spirit level position so that the your patterns that you've made doesn't take another shape, because the paint is viscous and it will flow when you place it at a positive or negative. So I've added some turpentine on a white paint because I had a limited amount of it, and I'm steering it using a stick mounted on a drill. So I'll add some white so that I can obtain a certain taste. I had a feeling I needed to add some white paint. So it's something easy. It's something easy and it's beautiful. So anyone can try it, and it's fun. Trust me, it's fun. I've added a gray paint also. Oh, I guess it will be fantastic. So make sure when you're drawing this kind of art, you don't have to place it on the sun. You should place it on the table, on a shed, I mean, where we have cool temperatures, so that there's no formation of bubbles when in the process of drying. So it's a good thing. I just love it. And another thing about art, the more you do, the more experience you get, and the more better you become. So I love this thing. I don't know why. Signs, please, you're all too loud, you don't speak quietly.
what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Alafu iteremke natural ndio. Kama hivyo imetosha. Nataka ikauke na pattern. Sasa inakaukia mahali flat, nataka nikauke mahali flat.